So we have the quadratic equation x squared plus 4 equals 29, and we want to find the solution or solutions to this equation. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our x squared term by itself by subtracting 4 from both sides. So our 4's will cancel and leave us with x squared is equal to 29 minus 4, which is 25. So from here, to get x by itself, we want to get rid of the exponent, and the opposite operation of squared, or an exponent of 2, is to take the square root. So when we do that, we have to do it to both sides, and that'll leave us with x is equal to the positive and negative version of the square root of 25. So obviously the square root of 25 is just 5 because 5 times 5 is 25. So we'll have x equals positive and negative 5. And if you want to, you can break that out into x equals 5 and x equals negative 5, but either way works. And that would be our answer for that problem.